And it's 24 hours after the blast, and the politics have already begun, with Congress General Secretary Digvijay Singh dragging in the BJP, questioning the timing of statements made by BJP leaders Narendra Modi and Amit Shah, and the blast that took place in Bodh Gaya yesterday.
अगर इस प्रकार का आईबी इनपुट था तो राज्य सरकार को महाबोधि जैसे महत्वपूर्ण मंदिर की सुरक्षा निजी हाथों में नहीं रखनी चाहिए थी। किसी प्रकार से केवल एक समूह को दोषी घोषित न करें इन्वेस्टिगेशन होने के पहले। क्या कारण है कि घटना के 2 घंटे बाद रविशंकर प्रसाद कहते हैं कि दिल्ली पुलिस, जिसका कि कार्यक्षेत्र केवल दिल्ली राज्य है, वहां के लोगों के सोर्सेज ने उन्हें बताया था कि बोध गया में रैकी करने पूना का ब्लास्ट का अपराधी आया था। पूना महाराष्ट्र में है, बोध गया बिहार में है, और दिल्ली पुलिस का सोर्स उन्हें बहुत महत्वपूर्ण सोर्स लगता है।
Twitter in which Mr. Digvijay Singh has said, linking the blast of Bodhi temple in Bihar, which is a terror blast, in a way linking it to the statement made by Mr. Narendra Modi. The fact remains that who is Mr. Digvijay Singh? Mr. Digvijay Singh is the General Secretary of the Congress Party. He is also a virtual spokesperson, but of course a loose cannon. He makes bizarre statements, and this is nothing very unusual. A man who called Osama bin Laden the most dreaded terrorist across the world, he calls him Osama G. He goes down to defend the Batla House encounter. Such people, when they talk about terror, it's laughable, and the BJP completely considers the statement of Mr. Digvijay Singh as bizarre.
Joining me, senior Congress leader and spokesperson Renuka Chaudhary. The BJP continues to say that it is the central government, the state governments that has in fact not taken enough measures.
You see, the BJP's continuous failure in the hearts and minds of the public is what reflects in what they say. They can say what they want. This is not the time for them to be nitpicking. They should get up and join hands, in fact, to ensure. Have they got some magic formula in which they can contain terror? Then they should tell that to the United States of America and Indian government.
Do you think the investigative agencies must really be given at this juncture? It is the agencies.
Please don't underestimate what the investigative agencies are doing. Terror is an international phenomenon. It is not something that we can contain if and when we want. And there are steps and measures which have been taken, not all of which can be spelled out on national televisions, which is the primary thing, that we should keep this silent so that our agencies can work freely, not with people bandying their personal opinions on television. And it's a shockingly immature and a politically naive statement that the BJP makes.
And finally, Congress leaders are meeting every day, meetings are on. Is something really being done to push forward from the party a concrete proposal for stronger measures against such terror attacks?
We have always remained committed, and let me remind the BJP that when Parliament was attacked, we never once said a word. They were incompetent, that they actually gave ministerial escort to escort the terrorists back to Afghanistan, who came back and hit us again. I mean, if that wasn't incompetence, I don't know what is.